Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, the place where we explore all things related to personal development, relationships, and self-improvement. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's often overlooked but holds incredible potential for transforming your relationships and personal growth. We're talking about the secret power of walking away from a woman. This video is not about manipulation or games, it's about understanding the dynamics of healthy relationships and personal boundaries. So, stay tuned, and let's get started. Setting the stage, the importance of boundaries. Before we dive into the secret power of walking away, let's establish a crucial foundation: boundaries. Boundaries are essential for any healthy relationship. They define where you end and someone else begins. Healthy boundaries lead to better communication, respect, and personal growth. Recognizing unhealthy patterns. Now, let's talk about recognizing unhealthy relationship patterns. It's essential to be aware of these red flags. Overdependence, when someone becomes too reliant on you for their happiness. Manipulation, emotional manipulation can be subtle but damaging. Disrespect, if your needs and boundaries aren't respected, it's a warning sign. The secret power of walking away. So, what's the secret power we're talking about? Well, it's about reclaiming your personal power and restoring balance in a relationship. Here's how it works. 1. Self-respect. Walking away is an act of self-respect. It shows that you value yourself enough to protect your emotional well-being. It's not about arrogance, it's about acknowledging your worth. 2. Reevaluating the relationship. When you walk away, you create space to reflect on the relationship. Is it healthy? Is it meeting your needs? Is it based on mutual respect and support? This self-assessment can lead to growth. 3. Setting boundaries. Walking away is often an effective way to communicate your boundaries. It sends a clear message that you won't tolerate disrespect or manipulation. This can lead to healthier communication and compromise. 4. Encouraging personal growth. Walking away can also be an opportunity for personal growth. It allows you to focus on your passions, self-improvement, and other aspects of life, making you a more well-rounded and attractive individual. When and how to walk away. Of course, it's crucial to know when and how to walk away. It's not an impulse but a thoughtful decision. Consider walking away when your boundaries are consistently violated. The relationship becomes toxic or one-sided. You've communicated your concerns and there's no change. In conclusion, the secret power of walking away from a woman is about reclaiming your self-respect, reevaluating the relationship, setting healthy boundaries, and fostering personal growth. It's a tool for building healthier, more fulfilling relationships. Walking away isn't about playing games or manipulation, it's about fostering healthy connections and personal growth. Thank you for joining us today on Wonderful Relationship. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from this message. Remember, you have the power to create healthy, respectful, and fulfilling relationships. Until next time, keep growing and thriving.